So we got a customer today that came in and was unhappy with their previous audio install. Another shop has installed this audio and they don't like how it sounds. It sounds a little too tinny. It doesn't meet their expectations. We're gonna show you the difference between a low-end install and a high-quality install done if the budget is right. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget number 4. I know there's more somewhere. Where is it? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's give you guys some background. The first set of background is going to be what's been installed in this vehicle prior. So it's a factory radio that they ended up using 2 sets of high-low converters, which then goes to a 4-channel amplifier and a monoblock amplifier, powering aftermarket speakers inside the doors and some actually good set of gel audio subwoofers under the seats. Now we're going to show you them up close and show you the evidence of a low-quality install. Evidence 1. Look at this speaker. All they did was break the speaker on the inside to use the factory frame to mount a lower quality 6x9 coaxial, actually. This should have been a component set where there was a mid-bass driver and a tweeter on top, but a coaxial, which is a full range, on the bottom door. After investigating the scene, we found an actual suspect. Where were you when there was a day of good quality audio needed? In the wrong place and in the wrong time, sir. They used a splitter to split more 99-cent store RCAs. I mean, it's either gonna be a competition between the swap meet set and the 99-cent store set. The rears, they weren't as bad. Definitely one speaker was unplugged and they did use an actual spacer. Sad part is it's not the proper spacer and still no sound ending, but you know, good effort. I give them a 2 out of 10. So we actually got a lead today. The customer told me that there was some crazy wiring behind the back seat. So we're gonna investigate one more time. Holy moly! Look at this, guys. No way! They put an amp on top of an amp just shoved in with wires loose and flailing everywhere. The murder scene has been found. Somewhere behind the sea. Alright, the 3-way active system is complete. It's clean. Let me show you how clean. Look at this. You can't even see the speaker. Look right here. You can't even see the processor. I'll see it. Okay, you can see it a little bit. Now the new monoblock is right over here under the seat with no wires showing. Instead of a big block that they had mounted here for a bass knob, take a look right up here. Beautifully flushed into the panel, like as if it was factory. Now you know how to do it the right way. Thanks to